Again, you see, we are going to do the same question which we have done previously, that is B1 from assume methods. Okay, previously we have done the question from direct methods. The same questions I am going to do from assume methods. Okay, this is the question, as you know, 0 to 2, 2 to 4 number of plants. This is called what? Continuous series or class interval. Okay, this is the number of house. Okay, that is frequency. Now again, what you have to find out here? Mid value. That is mid value, that is xi. How we can find out the mid value? As we know, 0 plus 2, that is lower limit plus upper limit, is 0 plus 2 is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. What will get? 1. Again, this is lower limit plus upper limit, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. When we will find out the mid value, always we will divide by 2. Okay, that is 2 plus 4 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, divided by 2 is 2 is 3. And you see the what is the gap between these two mid value? You see 3 minus 1, the gap is what? 2, right? What you have to do, 2 is the gap, you add the 3 in is value. If you add this 2 in 3, what you will get? Here the mid value, 3 plus 2 is 5. If you add again here 2, what you will get here? 7. If you add here 2 again, it will be 9. If you add here again 2, what you will get here? 11. If you add again here 2, it will be here 13. Okay, this is the mid value. You see, if you add 12 plus 14, if you add 12 plus 14, 2 plus 4 is what? 6. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. If you divide by 2, what you will get? Half of 26 is 13. So we have got the mid value of this class interval is 13. You don't have to add again and again. Okay, now here what you have to do? Here you have to write di is equal to xi minus a. What is a here? Assume mean. A is assume mean here, over here. Okay, we have to take the assume means from mid value. Any number we can take the mid value, will get the answer. But I'm going to take from here, this is 1 2 3, this is 3, and this is the 3 digit from the mid value, right? So we are going to take the this one as the mid value. Oh, okay, a, this is the assume mean. Okay, you can take this also, you can take this also, but for the convenient, for the easy, I have taken 7 as the mid value. Okay, so how we can get the value of dixin here? See here, di is called deviations, xi, this is the mid value, is called the xi. This is all value here, 1 3 5 7 9 11 13, it is a xi. And minus a is assume mean. Suppose we have to minus x minus xi minus a. Here you see di is equal to xi minus a. What is our x here? X is 7, xi is 7, and what we have taken, the particular a assuming is 7. So 7 minus 7, what you will get here? 0. So you have to write here 0. Okay, but again we have to find out that value of di is equal to xi minus a. What you have to do? This is the mid value, we call it xi. This is the value called xi, and particular number a I have taken as 7 as a assume mean. So what we have to do? Xi minus a. Okay, xi is 7 and assume mean is also 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So I have written here 0. Again, what we have to do? Again, with this number we have to minus this. See here again, What is our xi? Xi is 5. What is our a is 7. We'll get 5 minus 7 is 2, so we'll get here 2. If we go in the upper side, if we go up, we'll get the negative. If we go down, we'll get the positive. Okay, again 3 minus 7, 3 minus 7, what we will get here? Minus 4. Okay, 1 minus 7, you will get here minus 6. Okay, again this is our x minus a. 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, what you will get here? 2. 11 minus 7, you will get here 4. 13 minus 7, will get here 6. Okay, so I'll show you here also. See here how we are getting 7 minus 7, 0. 5 minus 7, minus 2. Again 3 minus 7, minus 4. 1 minus 7, I've got this one. Here how we have got the 2. 9 minus 7, this is 11 minus 7, 4. 13 minus 7, that is 6. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to multiply this di and fi. We have to multiply this one, that is fi and di. This value and this value we have to multiply. Okay, after multiplying, what we will get? Let's see. That is frequency 1, we have to multiply with this number, right? 1 into minus 6, it will be minus 6. See here, 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6. Then again 2 into minus 4, 2 4s are 8, minus 8. 1 into 2, that is 1 into minus 2, it will be minus 2. 5 into 0, it will be 0. Again 6 into 2, it will be 12. 2 into 4, it will be 8. Then again 3 into 6, it will be 3 6 are 18. Okay, okay, what you have to do now? This is the minus 2 minus 8. You have to add all this number. You have to add all this number. After adding, what we will get? Minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14, and minus 2, it will be what? Minus 16. Okay, here this number, if you add this number, 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8 is what? 20. 20 plus 18, what you will get here? 18. 38 plus 38. Okay, now we have to calculate this value and this, so it will call as sigma fi di equal to that is minus 6 and plus 8. What you will get? If I do here 38 and 16, if we minus 8 minus 6 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 4, so I will get here positive 42. Okay, now by using formula we get formula mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. What is our a? Assuming is our a is our 7, so I've written here 7. Again sigma fi di, our value is 42, positive 42, so I've written here positive 42. Again, this is our total. Okay, we have to do this total fi. What you call sigma fi, our total is 20. If I write here 20, okay. Again, we can cancel both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 1s, 2 1s, okay. It will be 7 plus, if we divide 21 with 10, we'll get 2.1. okay, 2.1. if we add 0, 2.1, we'll get 8. We'll get here 7. So 2 1s are 2. See here how, here you see, if we minus 38, positive 38 minus 16, we'll get here 3 minus 1 is 2. okay, it's 2. It means this is our 22. okay, 22. We have to write the value over here, 22, right? 22, this is our 22. okay, if we cancel it by 2, what you will get here? 11. okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then 2 tens are 20. Then it will be here 11 divided by 10, it will be what? 1.1. so if we add, what we will get over here? 8.1 plants. okay, this is our answer. Okay.